What's going on, fam? Welcome to another travel vlog.
Little by little you wear me down.
Good morning, fam. I'm doing my intro here. Today we made it to the shore. We're here in Genoa, Italy. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I'm gonna put the name down here. We're gonna go explore the city. We booked again the wrong tour. It's a panoramic tour, but I'm just gonna take lots and lots and lots of clips so I can do lots of B-rolls. I don't know, I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get off the bus, but it's going to be a coach bus tour. Alright, let's get it, guys. Oh yeah, let me show you all the tourists over here. Look at that. It's like a zoo in here. All these people here, they're all going out to explore the city. Let's go. Alright, fam, so we're now inside the bus. Look. Alright, fam, I wasn't gonna vlog this place because we were able to get off this bus for like 20 minutes, but we've been walking around for like 30 minutes now, and I cannot not vlog this place. It's so freaking beautiful. I'm going to show you some more clips right now. Again, the name of this place is called Genoa, Italy. Oh my god, guys, this is a must-visit place. This is actually, I like this place better than all the places that I've been to here in Italy. It's super nice.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you've stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Faced I wasn't even.
Alright guys, so that ends our walking tour here in Genoa, Italy. That's my group. That's our bus over there. And that's Genoa, Italy. So I'm gonna continue vlogging tomorrow. We're gonna go to Pisa, Italy. Stay tuned. Follow along. Let's go. Back in the ship. Check it out. Alright, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Please, please, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the like and ring that notification bell so you'll get updated for my future vlogs. Alright, until then, deuces.